All right, ladies, I'm heading out. Have a great weekend.
You too. Enjoy your time off.
See you Monday.
People love stories. No matter what kind of space you are working with, you can create a short animation that tells a simple story. By doing that, you bring life and soul into the space. It helps people connect with the space, and it helps people love your animation. And the best part, it's actually really easy. Let me show you how. Before writing your scenario, ask yourself 3 simple questions. First, what is the function of this space? Second, what are the key design features that the architect has created? And third, what is the story? A very short story is all you need to bring life into an architectural animation and make the space feel alive. Now let's jump into Lumion. This is the scene we will be working with. Every object you see in this scene is available for free on our website. So you can download everything and practice with the exact same project. Simply open your browser and search for easybizz3d.com. I will also leave the link in the description. Once you are on the website, go to the free section. There you'll find free 3D models and free materials. This is the exact scene we will be using. All you need to do is sign up and download it. You will also find these 20 free 3D objects that you can use in your own architectural projects. Now let's get back to Lumion. This scene represents an office where several employees are working. So we have already answered the first question. The function of this space is an office. The next step is identifying the most attractive feature of the design. As you can see, there is a large window running along this side of the office. In my opinion, that's the strongest architectural feature of this space. So our story should show the usage of this part of the office. Now I will set the scene using Lumion characters and create a very simple story. The workday has just ended. It's Friday afternoon and the office manager is leaving for the weekend. Before leaving, she says goodbye to her employees and wishes them a great weekend. The employees respond and wish her the same. That's it. A short natural interaction is all we need. Now let's place our characters based on this story. Lumion includes a huge library of characters in different poses, giving us plenty of flexibility to create almost any scenario. I will open people and then 3D statics. These characters are generally more realistic, so I will use them. I will choose a female manager who is walking, carrying a business bag, and wearing a formal office clothing. Next, I want to add 2 employees. For the first employee, I will choose this seated character. There are many seated characters available, but specifically choose this one because she is already looking toward the manager. I will position her here and rotate her slightly so she is facing the manager directly. For the third character, I want someone for this part of the office we talked about. This pose works really well. I will rotate the character and place her leaning against the wall. Now the scene is ready. The story is in place and all that's left is rendering. I will create a separate tutorial showing my Lumion render settings for this scene, and I will add the link here once it's available. After that, we will use AI to make the characters much more realistic. For character enhancement, you can use any AI tool you prefer. For example, you can use Nano Banana, which is completely free. Simply search for Google Flow, open it, click New Project, and upload your render. You can enhance your image completely for free. You don't need any magical or overly complicated prompt. Here's my easy method. Open ChatGPT and simply explain that you have an architectural render, and you only want the people in the image to become highly realistic while keeping everything else exactly the same. ChatGPT will generate an effective prompt for you. Then return to Google Flow, upload your image, paste the prompt, and generate the result. I previously enhanced another project using Nano Banana, and here you can compare it with the Stable Diffusion. As you can see, Stable Diffusion produces much more natural looking people. I still prefer using Stable Diffusion for character enhancement. Nano Banana tends to make people look slightly plastic. I've already created a tutorial showing how to install Stable Diffusion, and I will leave the link in the description. Now let's switch to Stable Diffusion. Open Input Image, then select In Paint and Out Paint. Load the render you want to improve. Hold Shift while scrolling to zoom in on the character, and then hold Ctrl to change the brush size. Now I will mask the manager's face. Stable Diffusion runs locally on your computer, so it's a little slower than cloud-based AI tools. However, the quality improvement is absolutely worth the extra processing time. After masking, press R to return the normal view. Choose Improve because we only want to enhance the face. Then open the Advanced tab. Set Performance to Quality. You can generate one image or multiple versions. Choose JPEG as the output format. Set Guidance Scale to 9 and set Sharpness to 4. For the prompt, simply write Improve hair details. That's enough. Click Generate and Stable Diffusion will begin improving the character. As you can see, it creates a much more detailed and realistic face. Repeat the same process for the rest of the characters. Now our render is finished after enhancing all of the people. The final step is turning this image into an animated scene using Google Flow. Upload your final render. Then I'm gonna write the following prompt. Create a video of this scene. The boss is heading out of the office and says to other ladies, "Alright ladies, I'm heading out. Have a nice weekend." The other ladies reply, "You too, enjoy your time off." That's all. Next, choose your video generation model. Higher quality models consume more credits. With the free plan, you can usually generate a few videos. I will select the light model, save the setting, and click Generate.
All right, ladies, I'm heading out. Have a great weekend.
You too. Enjoy your time off.
See you Monday.